Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla and Jack Skellington as one character. So let's jump into the video right now. Okay, let's go over this and draw Shin Godzilla and Jack Skellington as one character, okay? So let's do it. I'm going to go right here now and I'm going to draw a kind of a curved area for like kind of a, I don't know, it's going to be kind of a Jack Skellington head there with a Shin Godzilla vibe. Curve up over here, it's going to be the snout area. And we're going to pull up a little bit. Here. So there's going to be one brow and the other brow. We're going to see it kind of come together, okay? So down over here, up. It's going to be the eye cavity right here, the open eye cavity. Line over here. Alright, so we got the eye cavity like Jack Skellington right there. And now we're going to draw the nostrils right here. Line, just two little, looks like two little seeds or something like that. Alright. Pulling down right here. Let's go down the back. And that's going to be Shin Godzilla, right? The posture is upright. And right here on the side. Curve over here, and that's kind of like when there's this expression that Jack makes. By the way, don't forget to hit the like if you like these mixtures. By the way, when you hit the like, it definitely helps the channel out and helps the algorithm and stuff. It's like the way to pay back for free, you know. But when Jack gets mad, he makes this bizarre shape to his mouth. Like he made it like once in Nightmare Before Christmas. So that's kind of what I'm trying to replicate. Curve underneath here. And let's draw the teeth, alright? And these are going to be Shin Godzilla teeth. So thin, long teeth. And they don't have to be exact or anything like that, but they're, semi, like you want to vary the size of them. There we go. And then we're going to go from down here as well. Gonna hear the bottom, pull down, right there, and now there you go. You have the inner mouth right there. Line down right here, kind of skinnying the neck out, and then we're gonna go here to the arm. So I'm gonna have his arm I'm gonna draw his wrist right there, kind of like an angle. And all this stuff, by the way, you just want to have fun. You want to just follow along. You don't have to, be exact or anything like that. Curve right here for kind of like one claw. His hand's going to be like, rawr, right? There we go. Pull down here from the wrist to the elbow. And then go over here, gets a little bit bigger toward the elbow. And stick around, by the way, we're almost done, okay? Keep with me here. Curve over here up to the shoulder. Line right here for the deltoid of the shoulder. Curve all the way down. And, that's kind of more of like a Shin Godzilla body. And if you're into drawing Godzilla more, there's a free Godzilla drawing worksheet I'm going to put in the description. These are for people who really want to get the, regular Godzilla, at least the legendary version of Godzilla, down. Easy. Like, if you just want to be able to draw it from your mind, like, easily, this is the guide for it. I made it for you just to make it real simple. Really incredibly simple. So go take a look at that. I'm going to put that in the link. It's just like a file that you can download, print, or have on your phone. Curve over here. Down. Line over here for the body. He's got like a little bit of a spike on the chest. That's very Shin Godzilla body. line over here, there's like an opening kind of around the side of the throat there, right? That Shin Godzilla has. And you're able to see like a layer of skin underneath over here. Let's go over here on this side. We're gonna draw the spikes. So think about it like blooming, I don't know, leaves. That's the way I think about that. Or little blasts, right? Right there. Over here on this side. There we go. One over here. One over here. One over here. One over here. Okay, let's go over here and draw the other hand. Okay, the thumb is going to be on this side. We're really almost done, so don't worry about it. Stay with me right here to the end. Line over here to the top of the hand. The finger, the other finger, the other finger. Right on. And then now we're just going to draw a little bit of texture. This is the easy part. So curve, curve, curve. Maybe curve along the side over here. If you want, you can draw like a tongue in there. Didn't really do that last time, but curve, curve, curve. You can draw some maybe darker areas underneath. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. And we're just kind of, like I said, we're just doing that texture. That's all. Just kind of texturing it out. And this step right here, you can just go as long as you want. You can kind of put as much scratchiness and texture as kind of you're comfortable with. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for watching. You're amazing. And I want you to stay here for the next drawing lesson, okay? Let's go over the next drawing lesson right now. By the way, what would you call this guy? I didn't even ask about that. What would you name this character? Jack Skellington mixed with Shin Godzilla? Let me know, and I'm going to pin the favorite comment, okay? Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.